the piece is built around that I am kind of, this concept of ASMR, which is supposed to get you to sleep, like YouTube videos.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to speak like that, like really soft, very sensitive, but still very flirting and caring, kind of. So it's a fine balance. I feel like the tone of the accent really pulls me deep into the voice, like the register in my voice. I speak deeper. So it's a bit hard for me to manage how to really speak soft and pleasant within that accent, I feel.
Well, one of the things that people do when they're learning an accent is that they automatically go to a lower register, because somewhere in your brain it goes, right, okay, I'm now not talking how I normally talk, so I'm going to swap my register out so that I can differentiate the two. Everybody does it. So what we have to do is that and I mean, I even do it too. Like I very, very much go over the top when I do the Scottish accent, because like I totally go like into a man's voice, which is totally not right, but of course I recognize that. So when I'm working with somebody and I start to notice that shift in register, we just go back to having a normal conversation, and then I start talking in my American accent, and then I can kind of keep it at the right register, so that you're just talking, moving into Southern, so that we just, literally have a sentence that you could say, hi there, my name is Julie Selberg. Hi there, my name is Julie Selberg. And then we just literally pick something that will just trigger you to remain at the same vocal register, because it's very normal to go down here when you're changing into accents.
Yeah.